This is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga, 3rd generation. Now, with this particular model, sometimes it can be a little hard to tell differences at a glance because Lenovo has generally been very happy with the design of these systems, but there are a few changes for this model year. We've got first the display. It's now a Dolby Vision HDR display up to 500 nits of brightness, and that'll make it the first HDR display for this model. It's replacing that OLED display, you might remember that from the older X1 Yoga, and that was a really great display in terms of image quality. However, also really sucked down the battery. So this is going to be a new alternative to provide great image quality without so much of a battery life hit. A few other new features include a privacy screen for the camera, so you can just sort of flip it on and off like that. And we have a keyboard that retracts into the chassis. Now, that was available before, but Lenovo has refined the design so that there's no keyboard tray surrounding it or anything like that, and so that the keyboard sits extremely flush once you actually do flip it over to the tablet mode. Now, otherwise, this is a flagship laptop, well, 2-in-1, and you can expect all the hardware you would normally get with that. 8th Gen Intel Core processors, up to 1 terabyte of solid-state storage, and you can also get up to 15 hours of battery life with this system. One final sort of hidden feature is the Stylus, which actually tucks away into the system. Now, this isn't a new feature, but it remains fairly unique. There aren't very many laptops out there with a stylus that will actually tuck into the system, and that of course makes it a lot easier to keep track of it. Now, you can expect to see the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga 3rd Gen available sometime this month, that is January, and you can expect to pay around $18.89 for it.